Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a simple fried chicken curry. Come, let's see how to make it. I'm G from G's Kitchen. So for the fried chicken curry, I have kept all the ingredients ready. Let's start to make it. So before starting the recipe, here I have got some cinnamon, cloves, star anise and some cardamom. I'm going to add this in and just crush this so that it releases its flavors well. Not necessary to get it into a powdered form. I just want to crush them. So now this is ready. Let's start the recipe. Now into a pan, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add in this spice mixture. I have used vegetable oil here. You can use coconut oil instead. That will give a different taste to this recipe as well. Let this cook for a while. Now I can get a very nice smell out of it. At this point, I am going to add in one onion sliced, pandan leaf and curry leaves. And cook this until the onions are cooked well. As always, add in little bit of salt so that the onion cooks easily. Now the onions are slightly browning. At this point, let's add in the crushed ginger and garlic. Now the onion, ginger, garlic is cooked well. At this point, let's add in the tomatoes. This is about half a tomato and 2 green chilies. I'm going to add in little bit of turmeric powder. Mix well and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Now the tomatoes are cooked well. At this point, it's time to add in the spice powders, but before that, I'm going to add little bit of water so that the spice powders doesn't get burnt. Here I have taken 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of unroasted curry powder and half a teaspoon of roasted curry powder. I'm going to add this in. If you want to check out the ingredients and how to make the roasted and unroasted curry powder, please check the description box. I'll give you the link. Mix this well. Add little bit more water. Let this cook for about 1 to 2 seconds before we could add in the rest of the water. Now let's add in the rest of the water. I have taken 1 cup of water. It's about 250 ml. Mix this. Close this and allow it to cook. Now after about 5 minutes, let's open it. Now you can see the oil is separated. At this point, I am going to add in 125 milliliters of coconut milk. You don't have to add thick coconut milk. Even thin coconut milk will do. When this is cooked for about 2 to 3 seconds, we can add in the chicken. Now let's add in the fried chicken. I did not show you how to fry a chicken. It's a very basic thing. I just marinated with some little bit of turmeric, salt and little bit of chili powder and just deep fried them. So I'm adding this in. Mix this well. And now I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for about another 5 to 8 minutes. Now after about 5 minutes, our fried chicken curry is ready. Switch off the flame and then you need to add some lime juice. I'm adding about half a lime. Mix this and our chicken curry is ready. Tasty fried chicken curry is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.